Hello and welcome to game 576. This is the milestone 3 demo. This is gonna be the final demo for the Game Engine 3 series. Uh, in this milestone, we were asked to have 2D, 3D, and the animating characters on the screen. The animating character should be skinned and with the texture light. The animating character should have its calculation on the compute shaders that we are doing with the compute shaders. So let's first explain how we're doing that. We have a cube model to load the character skin and the indices and weights. So my code will be having a weird name. So the cube model is the one that loads the animating character, and then the custom models load 3D characters from the file. So again, the cube model.azul loads the sprite widget. Then we have shaders. So we have the compute shader for interpolation. We have the sprite shader that's gonna render the text. So yeah, we also have text on the screen, dynamically and static. We have a texture render. This one is gonna be used for rendering the skin. Again, weird name. I did not change the name, I just edited this. So, and then I have texture point light, which renders the objects on the screen, 3D object on the screen. So various textures inside the managers. So here I have a 3D sprite for alien, the 2D sprite. I have various fonts, and then I have this for the character. So this is the humanoid object, the graphic object, and then the 3D object, the space widget. So, and then this is the skeleton for humanoid, the skin data, the indices and the weights, the main bone T pose and the inverse pose, and then the animation file. So how we are doing the compute shaders is where we used to process the animation data, we are sending a matrices of each bone. So 80 matrix, we are filling it with the first frame and the next frame, translation, rotation, and scaling, and then sending it to the compute shader. The compute shader does all the slurp, lerp. So the mix does the lerp. This is in the documentation, Microsoft. And then the output is taken out inside another 80 matrices, and then that's how we are doing the compute interpolation. And I think that's all for milestone 3. I'm gonna now demo this. So there we go, dynamically changing text, 3D object, 2D object, static text, and then the humanoid with lighting, and then it's animating with the compute shaders. So that's all for milestone 3. Thank you.